Hello, welcome to Cloud Support. In this video, I'll be introducing HEED. The main functions of the application are creation of mileage-based, engine hour-based or time-based vehicle service interval, managing the vehicle operation costs, managing the validity of driver-related documents or vehicle-related documents, notifications related to fleet maintenance, including upcoming vehicle maintenance or overdue maintenance, and report generation on vehicle maintenance-related tasks. Now let's go through the HEED's user interface, which is the dashboard. HEED dashboard is a snapshot view of fleet maintenance, cost of services, and fuel fleet metrics. In the service section of the dashboard, you can see the number of services with the due state. Then we have number of overdue services, which is the service tasks which were not completed in time. We also have the number of in-progress tasks, which is the number of ongoing service tasks. Services states are clickable. You can click on a specific state and view the details of the specific task. In the unit section, you can see active, which is the number of vehicles which are not currently serviced, and in service, which is the number of vehicles which are ongoing maintenance. Intervals in this section, it shows the total number of intervals created on this fleet. Drivers, in this section you'll be able to view the active drivers and those who are involved in services which are in progress. In the cost section, you can see the total cost for services and the fuel costs. You can click on the cogwheel icon to view the total cost of services and fuel separately. In the total cost section, you can see the total cost of services, which is related to services done on the fleet. In the fleet metrics section, you will be able to view charts with information on mileage or engine hours regarding your total fleet. Total cost of fuel section shows us the total cost of fuel of your whole fleet. You can also customize the dashboard. Dashboard allows users to customize its view. To do this, click on the three dots on the top right corner of the page. You can check or uncheck the items as per your reference. You can drag and drop the objects in the dashboard to organize the view to suit your preference. You can use a calendar to generate dashboard information on specific time intervals. Thank you for watching Cloud Support.